Vegetables. Broccoli. Broccoli. Cabbage. Cabbage. Red cabbage. Red cabbage. Peas. Peas. Capsicum. Capsicum. Brinjal, or eggplant. Brinjal, or eggplant. Radish. Radish. Leeks. Leeks. Apple gourd. Apple gourd. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. Potato. Potato. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Spinach. Spinach. Coriander. Coriander. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Turnip. Turnip. Butternut squash. Butternut squash. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Beetroot. Beetroot. Carrot. Carrot. Celery. Celery. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Lettuce. Lettuce. Green beans. Green beans. Cucumber. Cucumber. Corn. Corn. Onion. Onion. Tomato. Tomato. Garlic. Garlic. Ginger. Ginger. Spring onion. Spring onion. Asparagus. Asparagus. Mushroom. Mushroom. Lady's fingers, or okra. Lady's fingers, or okra. Green chili. Green chili. Red chili. Red chili. Mint. Mint. Daikon. Daikon. Sponge gourd. Sponge gourd. Snake gourd. Snake gourd. Pointed gourd. Pointed gourd. Ivy gourd. Ivy gourd. Spiny gourd, or teasel gourd. Spiny gourd, or teasel gourd. Fennel. Fennel. Shallot. Shallot. Yam. Yam. Elephant yam. Elephant yam. Green jackfruit. Green jackfruit. Drumstick. Drumstick. Zucchini. zucchini, marrow, marrow, lima bean, lima bean, lablab bean, lablab bean,
artichoke, artichoke,
fava bean, fava bean,
chicory, chicory,
endive, endive, Brussels sprout, Brussels sprout,
bok choy, bok choy,
yam bean, yam bean, cassava, cassava,
turmeric, turmeric,
lotus root, lotus root, parsnip, parsnip,